Come on, boy. Good job, pal. You can, Cindy, throw it, and I'll just get out of the way.
Okay. Good boy!
That's awesome. Kill it, Finn. Good boy.
Good boy!
I think he likes the current.
I'd say so. That's a lot of propulsion right there.
Good boy.
The rest.
Great job, bud.
The current really is stimulating.
Wow. Good boy, Finn.
Boy. He is very challenged by that.
Great job, bub. Great job.
This guy's got more stamina.
Good boy. I think he wants to swim upstream again. You think? You think? Hi, bud. Oh, you want a toy?
He's balanced on the little tiny bed.